How's it going, everyone? In today's video, we are going to compare three products, which is going to be between the Xiaomi Vacuum 5 Pro, the base model Vacuum 5, and the Xiaomi X20 Max. First things first, I'm going to talk about the suction power. Both the Vacuum 5 and the Vacuum 5 Pro have around 20,000 PA suction, while the 5 Pro can go even higher, up to 23,000 PA depending on the version, while the X20 Max is weaker in the row suction. So the clear winner is going to be the 5 Pro. For the mopping and dock, X20 Max already has strong all-in-one dock with auto empty and mop washing, but the 5 Pro takes it further with hot water mop washing, auto drying, and smarter cleaning cycles. So the winner is 5 Pro, but the X20 Max is still solid. Now for the AI and navigation, Vacuum 5 has good smart navigation. The 5 Pro adds AI cameras. They also have something like the object recognition, identifying over 200 objects for smarter cleaning. And lastly, for the X20 Max, it is smart but not as advanced. So once again, the winner is going to be the 5 Pro. Now for performance and use cases. The Vacuum 5 have balanced performance. The X20 Max has the best value with premium dock features. And lastly, the 5 Pro have the flagship performance in everything else. And so for value, the Vacuum 5 is the cheapest option on this category or on this option. Now, for the X20 Max, they have the best value with premium dock features. And of course, the 5 Pro is going to be the flagship with the most expensive but most powerful. And so you want to choose the Vacuum 5 if you're on a budget. You want to choose the X20 Max for the best value with automatic features. And lastly, the 5 Pro is going to be top tier cleaning with some additional AI. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.